Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make dal makhani. This is made with rajma and black gram and it's very easy to make. I'm going to show you how to make it. To start with, we will take 2 to 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. You add 1 teaspoon of jeera. You just allow this to fry a bit. Once the butter melts, you can add 1 large onion. It can be roughly chopped because we are going to anyway make a paste out of this. Give it a nice stir and then you can add about 10 garlic. These are large garlics which are finely chopped. Mix this well and roughly chop 3 green chilies and add to this. Just try it once and your family will surely love it. You can add a little bit of ginger garlic paste. I'm handling roughly 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Give it a nice stir. It's almost ready now. You just leave it for a few minutes and grind it along with 2 medium-sized tomatoes. In the same pan, you again take 1 tablespoon of butter and you add this onion tomato paste. This is black gram 1 cup and rajma half a cup which I soaked overnight. Boil it the next morning with 1 teaspoon of salt. From this mixture you'll take roughly about half a cup of these grams and you'll grind that to a paste as well. Now in this pan let's add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and I'm adding roughly about 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder. This is very easy to make. It will be very delicious and it will taste wonderful with chapatis, with jeera rice, with some peas pulao. Give this a nice mix and let the onion and the tomato and the spices cook for a bit. Add 1/4 teaspoon of elaichi powder. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala at this stage. Give it a nice mix and allow this to cook again for some more time. See, it's really cooked well. Now you can add the rajma and black gram paste that you made. I am not adding any salt to this if you notice, because when I soaked and I boiled, I already used a teaspoon of salt there. So I'm not going to add any salt while making this. Now that it's done, I'm going to be adding the rest of the rajma and the black gram along with the water. You can see that it's a thick paste, so you can add some water to make it a little thin. I'm adding roughly about 1 cup of water, letting it mix really well till I get a consistency like this. Now at the end, before I end it, there are 2 important things: jeera powder and kasuri methi. You'll get this in any grocery store. So once it's cooked and you can see the butter is slightly coming out, I will take some of the kasuri methi in my hand and I'll just crumble it and add it. I'll also add in half a teaspoon of jeera or cumin powder. That is all. Give it a nice mix. Let it boil a bit. You can keep it in simmer at this stage. You can add a little more water if required, if it is very thick. And you can switch it off. Once you switch it off, add about 1.5 tablespoons of fresh cream. Give it a nice stir. And there you see, it's a lovely, delicious, creamy dal makhani. Loads of butter and cream. Very, very delicious. I usually carry it for work along with some peas pulao. Happy cooking and happy eating!